Mark locations for each strap along the wall. Do not exceed 6 foot on center or 3 feet from corners. General recommendation is for 5 feet on center for 8-foot walls. Fill any larger cracks at strap locations with hydraulic cement or other fast-setting high-strength mortar mix. Smaller hairline cracks may be filled with epoxy. Grind an 8-inch wide section of the wall at each strap location with a dustless grinder. Grind until the aggregate of the concrete is exposed. Ensure the location of the slab bracket is smooth and will allow the bracket to sit flush with the wall. Place slab bracket and drill 2 half-inch holes through the bracket at least 4 inches deep. Cut the carbon fiber to length, leaving approximately 6 inches for the slab bracket. For example, an 8-foot 6-inch strap for an 8-foot wall. Apply epoxy to the last 6 inches of the carbon fiber strap and wrap the flat portion of the slab bracket with the carbon fiber. Apply epoxy to the location of the slab bracket and screw anchor holes. Lay the angled portion of the slab bracket over the flat portion and secure with 2 Titan HD 1/2-inch by 4-inch screw anchors. Apply epoxy to the wall where the strap will be placed. Spread evenly. Apply the rest of the carbon fiber strap up to the top of the wall. Ensure the carbon fiber is fully saturated. Apply additional epoxy to the face of the mesh and spread evenly. A taping knife or trowel may be used to help spread the epoxy evenly. For the perpendicular joist bracket, cut a piece of carbon fiber to length for the T-section that extends at least 3 inches beyond the adjacent joists and adhere with epoxy. Ensure it is fully saturated. A continuous horizontal strap may be used as well. Apply additional epoxy to the face of the mesh and spread evenly. Attach each joist bracket using 7 1/4-inch by 1.5-inch SDS screws or legs. Starting with the bottom screw partially screwed in, and then installing the top screws at a slight angle into the room can help pull the bracket tight to the wall. 2 joist brackets are used per vertical strap. For the parallel joist bracket, install diagonal joist bracing going up away from the wall in at least the first 3 joist spaces behind the wall. Fasten with 4 1/4-inch by 1.5-inch SDS screws per brace. Solid lumber blocking may also be used. Cut a 2x10 to length and fasten to the bottom of the joist with 4 3-inch RSS screws per joist. The bracket may be temporarily held in place with 2 SDS screws while drilling holes for the 3/8-inch bolts. Place washers on the top side of the lumber and fasten with 6 3/8-inch bolts and nuts. Small gaps between the brackets and the wall may be filled with epoxy. This completes the installation of the SafeBase carbon fiber straps.